I'll show you how to plastic weld a handle back together. Put everything back together the way it's snapped off. With a hot soldering iron, tack the two pieces together. Once it's tacked in, it'll hold itself. Just like any welding, you need to get really good penetration. So just where it's cracked, just take the soldering iron, let it naturally flow in, then push plastic from either side into that crack. And as deep as you can get the plastic to flow, the better. And just work your way around. Go as deep as you can. Flow the plastic in. And this will actually be a very strong weld. And this is polyethylene plastic, which can't be welded or can't be glued together with any glues. So plastic welding, in some cases, is the only option to fix some of this stuff. Now at this point, it's a very strong bond, but it doesn't look very pretty. So we're going to take the side of the soldering iron and smooth it out like this. With a rag, we'll clean up the soldering iron. By running that around, you can see everything looks a little bit cleaner.